Going to do a quick video here on the mystery of intercepts. Oh yeah. Alright, first of all, what they are, you have your x-axis and you have your y-axis. And if you have some, it doesn't have to be a straight line, it can be a curve, but if you have some line where it crosses the x-axis, will be a coordinate. It'll be some number, comma 0. That's the x-axis. And then you'll have where the graph crosses the y-axis, it will be, the coordinate will be 0, comma some number, and that will always be what the y-intercept looks like. So over here I said axis, I meant intercept. Okay? Now that's all fine and good, but finding them can be a little tricky. So let's just make one up right here. Let's do 3x minus 5y equals 10. Since for the x-intercept y is always 0, what you do is you just put a 0 for the y, and then you solve for x. So here 3x equals 10, so the x-intercept is 10/3. Make sure you write your intercept as a coordinate, 10/3, comma 0. Alright, now the y-intercept, you do it the same way, except for the y-intercept, x equals 0. It's always the case. So if we have 3x minus 5y equals 10, put a 0 for the x, and then we solve for y. Negative 5y equals 10, so the y-intercept, running out of room here, is negative 2. So our coordinate for the y-intercept is 0, comma, negative 2. Now, it doesn't matter if the equation is written in this form or another form. It's all the same thing. So last example here would be, what if we had something that was in, I don't know, slope-intercept form, like negative 2/3 x plus 5. To find the y-intercept, really easy here because x is 0 for the y-intercept. So if x is 0, the y-intercept is just going to be 5. So the y-intercept is 0, comma 5. The x-intercept, though, that can get a little tricky. What you got to do, just like last time, put a 0 in place of the y, and then you solve for x. You're going to have to use inverse operations here. So you're going to subtract 5 from both sides. See? End up with that. Subtract 5 from both sides. That's why you end up here. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now, last step, we have to multiply both sides by the reciprocal right here. So it's going to be by negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2. Right? So it's going to be a positive 15 over 10. Sorry, 15 over 2 equals x. So the x-intercept is going to be 15 over 2, comma 0.